Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi di channel dari _07. Di video kali ini saya akan kasih kucing saya ini. Saya akan kasih catmint. Gimana ya kucing-kucing saya? Tonton terus videonya, oke? Ya, come on. Nih, sini kucing. Nih, tuh. Nih. Ayo Nyet. Nih. Nyet. Nggak mau Nyet. Monyet. Kucing ngefly. Goyang gajah nih. Ya, emang goyang gajah, emang gajah, emang. Iya. Monyet nggak boleh. Sini. Ini. Apa ini kita? Ini. Ayo. Udah icis tuh. Icis. Mon. Emon kenapa? Emon udah mulai Emon. Wih, Emon ngefly. Iya. Wih. Onyet nggak mau ngefly, Onyet. Wow, Onyet. Onyet. Nih. Emon. Emon. Wah, kita begini atau ini kita betul. Monyetnya nggak mau. Monyet, sini. Ini sama Emon. Onyet. Kucing mabok ngefly, woi. Satu kucing apaan ini? Malah nggak mau ini. Maunya main kura-kura ini. monyet ini. Buluk, kucing buluk. Woi. Yang satu maunya main kura-kura. Si monyet. Emon, 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 sini, Emon, Emon, pinter. Nya, banyak sini main.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower.
Emon, biakukan, matanya biakukan. Sini, Mecis.
Off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Mancing kucing.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Wih, dapat untuk kucing, untuk kucing. Punya kucing lucu namanya. Emon Icis menikmati catnip. Aja, udah kelar catnipnya. Lepasin. Uy. Nih bisa nggak nih di dinding nih? Tuh. Kucingnya cicak. Kucingnya cicak. Kucingnya cicak. Dah lepas. Ayo lompat. Lompat. Monyet lompat, monyet. Ih, dapat bulu.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be stabbed in the back bed. I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this
Buluk buluk, buluk buluk, kucing buluk, kucing buluk, kucing buluk. Emang ya kugannya mana? Wih, nyet.
Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
Lu tangkap. Banyak. Banyak. Emang aktif nih, kucing sangat aktif. Emang tangkap. Tangkap. Ih, pinter, awalnya pinter. Nah, kita